Ever wondered how teenagers like you can set themselves on the path to financial success? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're delving into the essential principles that can empower teenagers to make smart financial decisions and build a solid foundation for future wealth. Whether you're saving up for that dream gadget, planning for college, or aspiring to build your own empire, these principles will guide you on your journey to becoming a millionaire. Principle 1: Financial literacy. Emphasize the importance of understanding basic financial concepts. Let's kick things off with financial literacy. It's not just about knowing how to count your money, it's about understanding the language of finance. This includes budgeting, knowing the difference between saving and investing, and grasping the incredible power of compounding. By mastering these concepts early on, teenagers can not only make informed decisions, but also lay a robust foundation for their financial future. To dive deeper into financial literacy, read books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. These can provide valuable insights and practical tips to boost your financial knowledge. Principle 2: Goal setting. Now, let's talk about the importance of setting clear and achievable goals. Goals give purpose to our actions, turning vague dreams into actionable plans. Whether it's saving for a new phone or planning for college expenses, having both short-term and long-term goals helps teens stay motivated and focused on their financial journey. In addition to financial goals, it's crucial to set goals for personal development. Consider areas such as education, skills acquisition, and character building. Investing in yourself not only enhances your overall potential, but also contributes significantly to your financial success. Take the time to create a roadmap for your financial goals. Break down larger goals into manageable steps and set realistic timelines. This proactive approach will set you on the path to financial success. Principle 3: Entrepreneurial mindset. Discuss the mindset and qualities of successful entrepreneurs. Now, let's talk about adopting an entrepreneurial mindset. It's about more than just starting a business. It's a way of thinking that involves creativity, calculated risk-taking, and seizing opportunities. Don't be afraid to explore your passions and think outside the box. Many successful entrepreneurs started by turning their hobbies into lucrative ventures. What's your passion, and how can you turn it into a potential business? Entrepreneurship often comes with its fair share of challenges. Embrace failures as learning opportunities and cultivate resilience. It's not about avoiding failure, it's about learning from it and bouncing back stronger. Building a network is crucial in the entrepreneurial world. Connect with like-minded individuals, seek mentorship, and participate in events. Networking not only opens doors to new opportunities but also provides valuable insights and support along your entrepreneurial journey. Principle 4: Investing. Now let's talk about the power of investing early. Time is your greatest asset, and the earlier you start investing, the more you can benefit from the magic of compounding. Even small amounts invested consistently can grow into significant wealth over time. It's like planting a financial seed that grows into a money tree over the years. Consider exploring investment options like stock market. Consider investing in individual stocks or low-cost index funds. Many online platforms allow you to start with small amounts and provide a great way to learn about the stock market. Robo-advisors. Explore robo-advisor platforms that automatically manage your investments based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. These platforms often have low fees and are user-friendly. High-yield savings accounts. While not an investment in the traditional sense, high-yield savings accounts offer a safe way to earn interest on your savings, providing a foundation for future investments. Learning the basics of these investments can set you on the path to financial abundance. Diversifying your investments is a key strategy. Spread your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. This helps ensure that even if one investment doesn't perform well, others may balance it out. Your financial goals and market conditions evolve over time. Regularly review your investment portfolio and make adjustments as needed. This proactive approach ensures that your investments align with your changing goals and market trends. Principle 5: Continuous learning. Our fifth principle is all about continuous learning. The financial landscape is constantly evolving, and staying informed is crucial to making smart decisions. Make learning a lifelong habit. Explore books, online courses, or mentorship programs to deepen your understanding of finance. Stay curious, stay hungry for knowledge, and keep an open mind about new financial trends and opportunities. Being adaptable is key. The ability to learn and adjust to new information will not only make you a savvy investor, but also position you for success in a rapidly changing world. Cultivate a growth mindset that embraces challenges and sees failures as opportunities to learn. A mindset focused on continuous improvement will not only benefit your financial journey, but all aspects of your life. Consistency and discipline are the pillars of successful continuous learning. Set aside dedicated time for learning, create a structured plan, and stay disciplined in following through. This approach will help you stay ahead of the curve and make informed decisions throughout your financial journey. Start incorporating these principles into your life today. Small actions now can lead to significant results in the future. You've got the potential to not just dream about success, but to make it a reality. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. What financial goals are you setting for yourself, and how are you working towards them? Let's support each other on this journey to financial success. Remember, you've got what it takes to build a secure and prosperous future. Go out there and make your financial dreams a reality. Until next time, stay inspired and keep reaching for those million-dollar goals.